Welcome back. Now we're looking at working with formula again, which is the next lesson. Right. In this lesson, if we have a look here, sometimes we need to know how to work out the unknown, which is not the subject of the formula. Now, listen. With the previous lessons, we gave you the unknowns directly. They were by themselves on the left. You just substitute your right-hand side, you come up with the answer. In this case, we're going to do a sort of reverse. It's not a reverse, but I call it reverse because the unknown will now be on the right-hand side. You have to do some mathematics and get it by itself. Now, let's have a look on this one. Right. Use the given formula to convert 30 degrees Celsius to degrees F. Now, if you look at this, we have the formula here. What I did, this is C. I substituted C by 30 is what is given. Now I need F. Can you see now? F is right inside the brackets. You need to work it out until you get F by itself. Where do we start? Cool. What I prefer, guys, work out this fraction, which is 5/9. If you work out this fraction 5/9 on the calculator, you get this. Just use a calculator, 5 divided by 9. I think you're doing this with me now. I hope you get 0.55555 and then 6. Actually, this is 0.5 recurring. But take everything on the calculator. Please, guys, listen to me. Please do not round off at this stage. You're going to affect your answer. Just write the whole thing. Whatever you get from the calculator, put it down as I did. Okay, we're looking at this. We have 30 equals 0.5555, you have 6 there, F minus 32. It looks complicated, but it's not. Let's do it small. This number here, this guy you got from the calculator, you're going to divide through to get F minus 32 by itself. Have a look. What I did here, I divided this number, both sides, I get it here. And again, guys, use a calculator, 30 divided by everything. You see here, what do you get? Work out your left-hand side. I'm not worried about my right-hand side now because this looks complicated. I want to simplify it first. So, what I have 54. Just put it on the calculator, 30 divided by this, you get 54. I still have my right-hand side as F minus 32. Now, guys, simple work. Transpose your equation. 32 taken across 54 plus 32, which is 86. Now, this is your answer. Then you'll write degrees F. But even if you write this F, you indicated F, which is 86. They won't penalize you for not writing degrees F. That is your F is written there. It's not a special symbol in this case. Right. Cool. Now, we look at example 2. Remember, we're still on working with the formula where the subject of the formula is not the variable we're working out. We're working out the variable on the right. Let's look at the next example that will support what we talked about. We have the surface area of a closed cylinder as 1571. Okay, 1571 square centimeters. Okay, use the formula to calculate the height of a cylinder if the radius is 10. Good, but look at this. You still take pi as 3.142. Okay, now we will give you the formula, don't worry. You don't have to think. This formula will always be given. Remember, this is math lit. It's not mathematics, so we always give you the formula. This is the given formula. Do some substitution. Here we go. Now, you'll understand that SA, surface area, which is 1571. Okay? Now, pi gets this, 3.142. R gets 10. Plus 2. Pi gets 3.142. As I said, R gets 10. Now, this is the guy we're working out. This is the guy at the end we're working out. But we do this bit by bit. 1571 equals, put this on a calculator, you get this, surely. This is your answer when you put it on the calculator. And if you put from here, from 2 to 10, you get 62.84, then you get 8 there. Okay, now we do this. This h, we need to leave it on the right. What I did, take this number across, is minus, guys, minus, then 1571 minus 628.4, you get 942.6. Guys, I'm taking this bit by bit. 1571 minus that on the calculator, you get this. Now, how to get rid of h? 62.8. How to get rid of this? 62.8. Then we need h by itself. Have a look. This number, remember, was on the left. I divided the number that multiplied h there. We call it the coefficient of h, which is 62.8. Then put on the calculator, surely your final answer will be 15. Okay, put this and then you can run off to the nearest whole number, which is 15, because it gives you 15.0000, which is actually 15. Don't be surprised when you put this on the calculator, it gives you decimals. I just rounded off to 15. Okay, now we come into the summary about what we dealt with. Remember, firstly, have a look here. The formula will always be given. Don't panic, we give you the formula all the time. Then the values of the variables in the formula will be given, except the one that has to be worked out. The one that you will always find on the right-hand side is the one that you need to work out. Now, the unknown variable does not have to be the subject of the formula. It's what I said, actually. Then you always find it on the right-hand side. Another thing is the necessary and correct substitution into the formula should be made. Guys, we will always make the values clear. Just put them, plug them into the formula, substitute correctly, then you will get it. You'll get the answer perfectly. Good, guys. It has been good to be with you in this lesson. Until we meet again in the next segment, see you. Cheers.